Hi, my name is John Colarian. I'm a student at the University of New England in the organic chemistry class. And today I would like to talk about a drug that I use in my line of work called lisinopril. Now, lisinopril is an ACE inhibitor. Now, ACE is acronym for angiotensin converting enzyme. So it's an angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor. What this does is it reduces the blood pressure in our patient population. For example, if a patient has been having long-standing hypertension, ACE inhibitor is one of the class of drugs that we do use in clinical setting and also outside of the clinical setting to treat hypertension. In today's video, we're going to talk about the chemical compound of ACE inhibitor, or rather lisinopril. Now, lisinopril, the formula is 21 atoms of carbon, 31 of hydrogen, nitrogen is 30, I mean, sorry, 3, and oxygen 5. And I don't know if you can see this properly. This is the molecular shape of the drug. As you can see here, it has a lot of functional group. And also at the bottom here, I have the IUPAC name, which for me is too difficult to pronounce, but I'm going to leave it here so you guys can see it properly. Okay. So as I mentioned before, lisinopril functional group. In totality, there are five functional group here, and I have circled them in blue. So we have amino functional group, which is number one is NH2. We also have the aromatic ring, which is number two here. We also have there's two carboxylate group, which we have at the bottom here, number three. We also have the OH functional group, as we can see here. Both are labeled number four. And last but not least, we have the secondary amine group right here. And we want to discuss about the chiral center. You can see in red, we have a total of three chiral centers, right in red, right here, in the red dot. So we have one, two, three. Also, that being said, so lisinopril has a total potential stereoisomers of eight different types of stereoisomers. Um, so the chiral center of lisinopril, we have many priority group, which I've labeled here. We have the OH, which is right here. So on this side of the molecule, we have the R isomer here, and on this other side, we have the S. We have two S's here. So we have the first one here, which is the R and SS. So this drug again, it's pretty much it has a cis and a trans isomer. Again, so this is the molecular shape of lisinopril, which is very common in the healthcare setting, especially in the cardiovascular unit. I hope my video has been educational. Thank you for watching and have a good day.